Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are looking at Asana. This is a new software for team or project management. This is great for small to big businesses to assign responsibilities and look at stuff like tasks, whatnot. It's really great because it gives you a clear picture and sketch where you can like draw out your goals, your accomplishments and tasks and whatnot. So let's just go to asana.com and then click sign up with Google. I'll just use my email, so it's going to take a second. It will take a second to load. It may or may not. It's going to ask you for your name. Just fill it out. The primary role, just say whatever applies to you. Let's continue. And then what's your main objective? So task management, so you could do like use this as a scheduler for yourself, or you could like plan tasks and like set up deadlines if you like, if you're like team, or you could do portfolio and workload management, which where you can monitor status, team member workload, so like how much they're working. So let's say continue. So it's going to ask you what are we currently working on, building an online store. What are a few tasks that you have to do for building an online store? That would be make a logo, create a business account, then finally create a design. And then just click continue, and then how would you group these tasks? So if you're gonna do it right now, you can click to do, doing. Oh, like how would you like to organize it? So I think it's good. So if you're done, it will mark it as done. If it's doing, you can mark it as it's being currently worked on. To do is like something that is a goal or you're gonna do later on. Now, what layout works best? You can set up a list. You could do a board. I kind of like the board better than the list. Do a timeline, so it's like in a calendar. So choose which one fits yours the most, or whichever one you like. I like the board. I mean, calendar's kind of good too, but and then you could add your team members. So I'll just add myself for now. And then they also have mobile app and iOS, so you could work together with any platform. Alright, now we are here in our Asana, and then it said 30-day trial to you get, and then they also have a free plan, so that's like you could have a team of up to 15 people, which is pretty good, but you're gonna be limited some features. And to add a task, you can just click add task, and then make coffee, and then you could add the due date or when it has to be done by and who's going to do it by clicking one of these. So just do that, and then start date will be 3 days. You can set up how long it is and whatnot. And then to add a time, go to the bottom left. It will be due at 11:30 p.m. Then yeah, just click up here again. Add the persons by click on that person, and then add whoever you want. So I assigned my other email, and then yeah, that is in the doing. So that's being currently worked on, and then done. So let's say we are already made the logo. You can just move it. So yeah, that's kind of how you do it. You could also change the view if you like the list, or if you want to change it, just click on list, timeline, calendar. You could look at it here. Workflow, so how will tasks be added? form submissions. You can skip this for now, or if you would like to, you can. When tasks automatically move to section which should automatically happen. So we'll assign task. It has a lot of stuff, but yeah, that's like the general gist. You can create tasks and then look at statistics and like reporting. So like who's done, who's not. Then here's a portfolio. So like money goals and whatnot. Then you could set up goals here. So let's set one up right now. Finish website and reach 20K in sales. And then you could like set up, add people, update progress. So it will show you how much every goal is done at percentage. So what's the status? It's on track. Darn, this is kinda I just add these notes like what you accomplished, summary of the day, and then you could like update it, and then you could update this weekly, bi-weekly, or every 2 weeks, or monthly. So this is like reporting. It will give you a notification when to like set up a report. Summary today or this week we were setting everything. We set the basic sign. Yeah, you just put everything and post it. And then this, everyone can see this and then send feedback and whatnot. And yeah. You could change this to currency so it could show you how much you've done. No sub goals connected. Then you can click on create here to invite people, message, projects. Let's create a new project, task, and yeah, that's the basic gist of how to use app. Thank you for watching.